What if your job did itself? No, seriously. We're living in a time where AI tools can handle everything from writing and designing to scheduling, coding, and even editing your videos, all without needing you to do much more than click a button. In this video, we're diving into AI tools that can literally do your job for you, or at the very least, make it 10x easier. Whether you're a content creator, designer, developer, marketer, or just trying to be more productive, there's an AI out there working overtime for you. Let's start with writing. ChatGPT and Claude AI can now write emails, blog posts, reports, proposals, and honestly, they're good at it. You give it a few bullet points, and boom, it gives you paragraphs of clean, professional writing. Jasper is another AI built for marketers and writers. It generates SEO-friendly copy, product descriptions, and even social media captions. These tools save hours and can help overcome writer's block in seconds. Need to summarize a long meeting or book? Tools like Quillbot and Notion AI handle that too. Not a designer? Doesn't matter. Canva's Magic Design and Adobe Firefly let you create full graphics, social media posts, and presentations just by typing what you want. AI takes care of the layout, color matching, and visuals. Want to generate original images from scratch? Midjourney and DALL turn text prompts into stunning art, logos, thumbnails, even product mock-ups. No Photoshop skills needed. And if you work with video, Runway, Mel, and Pika let you generate or edit video using just text prompts. Literally describe a scene, and it creates it. Let's talk automation. Zapier and Make.com are like having a virtual assistant. They connect your apps, think Gmail, Google Sheets, Notion, Slack, and let you build workflows that run 24/7 without you touching anything. Got a client inquiry form? These tools can take the input, send a confirmation email, update your CRM, and ping you on Slack instantly. Pair them with Calendly, Motion, or Clockwise, and even your schedule can manage itself. Meetings get auto-scheduled, tasks are prioritized, and time blocks appear magically on your calendar. So, are AI tools coming for your job? Maybe. But the smarter move? Use them to do your job faster, better, and with less effort. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe and follow HustleGPT for more AI money hacks, and drop your favorite tool in the comments. What would you outsource to AI?